If you want to learn how to use Lucidchart for UML, this video is going to walk you through the entire process in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you're creating a class diagram, use case diagram, or building a UML model from scratch, Lucidchart makes it easy to organize your ideas visually and keep your software design clean and professional. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you out and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. That way, you won't miss the next guide. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Lucidchart account. Once you're inside, click the plus new button to start a fresh document. From there, select Create from Template. This is the easiest way to begin if you want a ready-made UML layout instead of building everything manually. Now in the template search bar, type UML. You'll see different UML options appear on screen, depending on what kind of diagram you want to build. For example, you may see a class diagram, a use case diagram, or other UML-based templates. Choose the one that best matches your project. If you're mapping software structure, a class diagram is a great place to start. If you're showing user interactions, a use case diagram may be better. Once you've picked the right template, click Use Template. Now your diagram opens in the editor. This is where you can start customizing everything to fit your needs. If the template already includes sample shapes, you can double-click on any shape to edit the name, text, or other details. You can rename classes, adjust attributes, update methods, or change labels so the diagram matches your system. As you work, you can add new UML elements, move existing shapes around, or delete anything you don't need. Lucidchart gives you a flexible drag-and-drop canvas so you can keep your diagram clean and easy to understand. If the layout starts to feel crowded, just reposition the objects until the structure looks right. Next, use connectors to create relationships between shapes. This is one of the most important parts of UML diagramming. Connectors help you show associations, inheritance, dependencies, and other relationships in a clear visual format. Just click and drag from one shape to another, and Lucidchart will create the connection for you. Then you can adjust the line style or direction if needed. Now, if you do not want to use a template, Lucidchart also lets you create a UML diagram from scratch. To do that, open a blank document instead. Once the blank canvas loads, go to the left panel and click Shapes or More Shapes. If you don't already see UML in the shape list, enable the UML shape library. This will unlock the full set of UML elements so you can build your diagram manually. After that, drag the shapes you need onto the canvas. Common UML shapes include class, interface, actor, use case, and activity. As soon as the shapes are on the page, you can begin building your diagram. Hover over a shape and drag from the connection point to another shape to create a relationship. This is especially useful when you want to show how different parts of a system interact. Then double-click each shape to add names, attributes, and methods. This step helps turn a basic diagram into a complete and useful UML model. Take your time while organizing the layout. Good UML diagrams are not just accurate, they're also easy to read. Try to keep related elements grouped together, use consistent spacing, and avoid overlapping connectors where possible. A clean structure makes your diagram much easier for others to understand. Once your diagram is finished, Lucidchart will usually auto-save your work as you go, so you don't have to worry too much about losing progress. But if you want a copy outside of Lucidchart, you can export your diagram manually. You can save it to your PC as a PDF, PNG, JPEG, or SVG, depending on what you need. PDF is great for sharing, PNG and JPEG work well for images, and SVG is useful if you need scalable graphics. And that's how to use Lucidchart for UML, from choosing a template to building a diagram from scratch and exporting the finished result. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you can catch the next software walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.